Okay, student. Let's continue the same lesson. Geography lesson number 3, components of agriculture. The last topic of the lesson, livestock. Livestock is, do you know that? Livestock mean some of the animals we are taming in your life for so many purpose like a meat purpose, milk and some other purpose. Now, actually, in the economic side, livestock mean integral components of farming system in India. Integral mean together, that means ஒருங்கிணைந்த. Another meaning, it is a socially and economically very important because it's providing to the all Indian farmers employment opportunity and giving the food supply and they giving the proper income so that it is called as economically, socially very important. Indian livestock contribute to the GDP, national GDP just 4%. And agriculture side, it provide 25.6% to the agriculture GDP. But in the world population, the livestock 11.6%. So student, again I remember, livestock means what is the integral components of the farming system. Second one, it is socially and economically very important. What is the reason? I said already. Next, some of the categories, some of the important livestock listed in our book, and a few only given here like cattle, goats, buffalo, 3 only given. One by one I explain. First, livestock of this lesson, cattle. You know the cattle in our areas you already have seen so far. The cattle is one of the important livestock in our country. In Indian cattle status 37.3%. Indian cattle production, which India is the second place in the cattle level. And in India's, which Indian state producing cattle? Madhya Pradesh. Nearly 10.3% they are producing from Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh also other states are producing 10.2%. West Bengal producing 8.7%. These are cattle of Indian livestock. Like cattle mean, and what are the places in India? Then how many percentage of total production of India? Then which is the leading producer of Indian state? That is the detail. And also the cattle has 3 type of the breeds. Breeds means inam. And when types. One is the milch breeds, another one drought breeds, and third one mixed or general breeds. This is the detail about the cattle. So first livestock is water. What is the first data? First livestock? Cattle. The another next livestock of the main India's goat. It is called as poor man cow. Why? Most of the families they are keeping goats except cattle. So that it is called as the poor man cow. Why? The goat only considered is the main source for meat mean. This is mostly taming for meat purpose only most of the families, not getting more milk from this goat. Which Indian states are producing a lot of goats in India? Rajasthan is the leading producer of Indian state. Nearly 16% they are producing. Another some of the states also they are producing in our country like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and some other states. So this is the information about the goat. Sometimes they will ask which animals are called as the poor man of cow. Sometimes they will ask me, you want the answer, goat. Another importance, livestock, buffaloes. Mostly, this is for milk purpose only we are taming. That means domesticating in our country. Then which is the highest state producing buffalo mean Uttar Pradesh, nearly 28.2%. Then remaining some other states also they are producing like Rajasthan 9.6% and Andhra Pradesh 7.9% also they are producing. So this is the very important livestock in India. What are the important livestock in India? Again remember, first one is the cattle, second one is the goat, third one is the buffaloes. The another important topic we are going to know, dairy, meat, wool production. From this topic, three important category only we are going to see. First one is the milk, second one is the meat, third one is the wool. The milk first. Milk, Indian total production of the milk 163.7 million tons. And which Indian state leading producer of the milk? Uttar Pradesh, nearly 27.6 million tons. Other states also, they are producing milk in our country, like Rajasthan, one of the state, and 19.4 percentage. Madhya Pradesh, 13.4 percentage. This is the detail about the milk. Next topic, meat. Indian total production of the meat 7.4 million tons. 7 million tons. You know that now we are in Corona. So what is the condition of the meat? How much of the 1 kg of meat in our country? Do you know? Many shop they are selling nearly 1,000 rupees per 1 kg of the meat. So the meat is very important for essential our life. So which is the Indian state producing the meat very high means Uttar Pradesh, nearly 1.3 million tons, and some other states also they are producing the meat like Maharashtra and Rajasthan, some other state. The last important topic of this dairy, meat and wool production, wool. Do you know the wool? During the summer season, what kind of the dress we are wearing? Similarly, winter season, what kind of the dress, you know? Which is reason we are wearing the woolen cloth, you know, during the winter season. So the wool also very, very important. In our country, nearly 43.5 million kilogram we are producing wool in our country, which is the highest state producing a wool in India, Rajasthan, 14.3%. So student, again I remember what are the topic we have done so far. First one is the livestock. I given the definition. Generally you want to know the livestock means the integral components. Then socially, economically it is very, very important. It providing to Indians like income, employment, food, etc. And the next one, it contribute to Indians national GDP 4% and 20.6% agriculture GDP, and world population it contribute 11.6%. So what are the livestock in our country? Cattle, goat and buffaloes, and these are the important livestock in our country. From the topic, what are the questions we will expect? Already I said which is called as a poor man cow, and which is the highest producer of the cattle. Then India in which place in cattle? Okay, so we will see next topic later.